one of the most enjoyable things when we as budgie owners watch them bob their heads up and down. And it is not only enjoyable for us, it is enjoyable for the budgie as well. Why do budgies and parakeets bob their heads up and down though? Budgie question and answer. Question answered. The head bobbing dance is very common among male budgies, although sometimes females catch on for a bit as well, but it's more common among males. Why? And what does it mean? The fast and fluid up and down motion of the bird's neck is often accompanied by chattering. This action is part of his mating display. If he's successful, it will escalate into mutual feeding and mating. Pet budgies, however, are happy to bob their heads at other times too. Probably the more active your bird is, the more often you will catch him bobbing his head up and down. When your bird is happy, he is willing to bob not only to a female, but to another male, to you, to a mirror, to a toy, to the wall, to a particular section of their cage, or even doing it by himself. Head bobbing sometimes become part of a ritual song and dance. It usually indicates that the budgie is happy and excited. You know, if you show your appreciation to your tamed budgie, he will get into the habit of bobbing to gain your attention. However, it is not always like that. Sometimes it's a slower movement that indicates your budgie is adjusting his crop. It is very easy to differentiate between adjusting his crop and doing the dance. Or it could be your budgie is regurgitating food. There are some instances whereby a budgie may appear to be doing this, but the action is not related to courtship or normal ritual. This type of behavior could be due to a medical condition, from a mental illness of some sort to other medical conditions, like seizures and even parasitic infections. You should be familiar with your bird's normal behavior. If you notice any suspicious or abnormal behavior, then it is important that the bird be taken to a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. And another thing, this head bobbing can be seen among baby budgies as well. They do that when they are hungry, especially when they just left their nest box. You can see babies cling to their parents in this way for as long as they can, head bobbing for food. Sometimes when I just stare at them doing that, I could almost hear them saying, "Feed me." Listen to this. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. And it is really recognizable voice that goes with the baby's head bobbing. For more about budgies, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are watching this video from YouTube and hit the bell icon to get notified when the next video is up. Or like the Facebook page if you are watching this video from Facebook.